Alright guys, so this is Thursday, and guess where we're going? This is a big hint. We're gonna be going on a tour that takes us to a lot of movie sets, and I believe one of them is gonna be Jurassic Park, obviously, and I don't know the rest, but it's exciting. Look, check this out. It's amazing out here. Alright.
About to check in for our movie tour.
Ooh, movie tour. What movies have been shot here?
Like Jurassic Park, Kong, I mean even the ongoing series, Hawaii Five-0.
Alright, so we're here waiting at the check-in area. This is going to be for the movie set. As you guys can see in the back, these are all where the buses are at. And these are the buses that we're going to end up taking. And right now we're just waiting. So you have the choice of either taking the bus or going on horseback. Last time when I came to Maui, we got to see this. Well, I got to see these mountains, but it was on a helicopter. I'll see if I could add footage after this. And then now I'm gonna walk on it, so it should be fun. All right, guys, so we're going inside the bus. Jesse, are you excited?
Very excited.
Should be fun.
My name is Salem, and I'll be your driver and guide today. I'd like to welcome you guys out to Kualoa Ranch. I'd like to welcome you on our movie sites and ranch tour. And as we go through, we'll be passing by different film locations, from Jurassic Park to Godzilla, Lost, First Dates, and Jumanji, starring Dwayne Johnson. So now in this area in 1942, it was turned into an airfield. To your left, these be makeshift hangars that were designed to house Lockheed P-38 Lightnings. These were twin-engine airplanes designed for long overseas flights. Prominent mountain peak right there in the middle is called Kualoa. Translation is the meeting point of two waves. The highest point is just over 2,000 feet.
We're here at the set of Jurassic Park, and right here behind me is the most famous dead tree here. Everyone keeps taking photos here. This is where they shot Jurassic Park. You guys can see.
You got to let it go.
So the guide was telling us that this rippled, I believe it's this one, this rippled mountain peak, they use it often, and he says that it's kind of like a dragon, like the dragon's back, and you could kind of tell, and it's the most famous spot.
Mike and Dave, this is where they shot that scene.
Got to let it go.
Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome, guys. Take care.
You too.
Welcome. Welcome. Take care.
So what'd you think of it? Did you like it?
It was pretty cool, man. I liked it. Being able to see where all of my favorite, well, many of my favorite films were shot, you know, I think that's pretty cool. Especially, you know, some of the childhood favorites.
But it was really good, guys. Strongly recommend it.
Yeah, definitely.
Starting to rain now. Starting to rain now.
Worth every penny.
Alguien que nunca anda en cabio, porque hasta fiebre y calentura le da y agarra cama, yo te lo digo.
So my dad's talking about the option that we went for, because originally we were thinking of, what is it, ATV bikes? What are they called? ATV bikes and horses, but we ended up just choosing the bus, and I guess it was a good choice, right?
Yeah, definitely. I think that was a lot better because we had the whole narration where the gentleman gave us the 411 on everything on here, instead of, you know, hearing the buzzing of the ATVs or rocking of, and of course I think your behind would kind of hurt from an hour of being on a horse.
I need one more chance. Oh.